Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk you through the process of disabling the Toolbar shortcut in Google Chrome. If you find the Toolbar shortcuts distracting or simply want a cleaner browsing experience, this guide is perfect for you. Let's dive into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser. This is where all the magic begins. Make sure you're logged into your Google account if you want to sync your settings across devices. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu gives you access to various settings and features within Chrome. Now, scroll down to the Settings option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can customize many aspects of your browsing experience. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Toolbar Shortcut. This option controls whether the Toolbar shortcut is enabled or disabled. It's usually located among other customization settings. After locating it, click on Toolbar Shortcut. Here you'll see a toggle switch or checkbox next to Enable Toolbar Shortcut. This is where you can make your change. To disable the Toolbar shortcut, simply click on that toggle switch or uncheck the box. Once you do this, the Toolbar shortcut will be removed from your browser's interface, allowing for a more streamlined look. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Toolbar shortcut in Google Chrome. Now you can enjoy a cleaner and more focused browsing experience without those extra distractions. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on how to enhance your tech experience. See you in the next video.